Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. If you're looking for a simple, small desktop computer that doesn't take up much space in your home or office, consider a mini PC. These computers are best for everyday tasks like working on documents and spreadsheets, browsing the web, taking video calls, or watching TV. However, our top picks are also powerful enough to do some light media editing, and our upgrade pick is fast enough even for professional photo and video editors. When most users seek an alternative to a large PC case, they are quick to make the jump to laptops and all-in-one PCs. But down the road they may find themselves disappointed by the screen attached to the machine, as it limits your options. If you want to avoid a full-size PC, feel constrained by a laptop or all-in-one, and at the same time want to keep your freedom of choice when it comes to monitors, what do? You can choose a mini PC or Mac Mini. That's where they shine. Mini PCs, also referred to as thin clients, can be integrated with your choice of monitors, usually one at the low end, but up to 4 in some devices, and peripherals such as a webcam. At the same, mini PCs can stay hidden out of sight, either under the desk or behind a monitor. Despite their small size, mini PCs are as functional and compatible with software as traditional PCs.
Number 3. Acemagician AMR5 Mini PC.
With so many brands simply turning out new clones, it's nice to see something different from Acemagician. Built around the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 platform, the AMR5 sports a 6-core CPU with the ability to process 12 threads simultaneously. When combined with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of NVMe storage, the little AMR5 can outperform many full desktop systems. While the flashing LED scheme might be more suitable for home users, this small system can chew up and spit out office tasks easily, and it also has some potential as a mini server, especially for media. What we especially liked in this design is that internal access requires no tools, and it has two M.2 PCIe 3.0 x 4 NVMe slots that enable easy cloning of the system to bigger or faster drives and useful expansion.
Number 2. Beelink U59 Mini PC.
The Beelink U59 is a nuke-sized PC built around the Intel Celeron processor N5105 for C/4T, for M-Cache, 2.0 GHz up to 2.9 GHz. It can come with 8 GB or 16 GB of RAM, and up to a 512 GB SATA SSD installed. Even with that modest silicon, the U59 performs well at basic tasks, and has potential as a small office machine or for embedded applications. For 8 GB customers, the RAM can be upgraded to 16 GB, along with the M.2 SATA storage. There is also a bay inside for a 2.5-inch drive for even more storage options. What seals this deal is the relatively low asking price of both the 8 GB and 16 GB models, and the bloatware-free Windows 11 installation, including dual HDMI outputs and dual gigabit LAN ports neatly positions the U59 for embedded use, ideal for providing product presentations or as a self-contained firewall.
Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M1.
Overall, the 2020 version of the Mac Mini with its M1 CPU is still impressive and offers a portable option to take your computing anywhere without sacrificing your favorite Apple OS and software ecosystem. It has a compact, attractive design and the ability to run the latest greatest OS, while also running legacy Intel apps and iOS apps. In October last year, many fans were hoping Apple would present a new Mac Mini powered by the M1 Pro or M1 Max chips at their Unleashed event, yet it failed to materialize twice last year. One of its drawbacks is that memory doesn't go above 16 GB, nor can it be upgraded on the 8 GB model to 16. Those coming from Intel-based Mac Minis will despair of finding out they can no longer use external graphic cards, eGPUs. Besides, it's a good alternative to get into the Apple world with minimum desk real estate.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.